Hi everyone, Alex Kennedy here with REV Car Wash, and this week we're going to be focusing on the cosmetic side of the exterior with our Scratch and Swirl Out Remover. Let's get started. Apply the product to your microfiber towel and rub into the affected areas for up to 30 seconds. You want to make sure the product gets into the scratches. Allow to haze up and then wipe clean.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #RevYourRide, and we'll see you next week.